Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. Okay, is it just me, or has Dollar Tree really exploded in terms of the amount of products they now sell? Even if their stores haven't specifically expanded, their products have really increased. Specifically, I'm really appreciating their seasonal decor this year for the summer, and I don't necessarily always look at the seasonal section every time I walk into a Dollar Tree. It depends on if I have something in mind that I want to pick up. But in today's shopping trip, I really wanted to be able to find some inspiration in the nautical theme for a quick and easy DIY project. For all my crafty friends out there, they have grown in their materials like yarn, fabric, paints, crafting tools. I mean, more and more is becoming possible just by shopping at Dollar Tree. You might not be able to buy a Cricut there, but you can buy supplies for a Cricut machine. But honestly, even if you're not a crafter yourself, you can still enjoy shopping at Dollar Tree because they have a good variety of home decor pieces for all sorts of tastes, in my opinion. And they're really good at putting together pieces that belong together, such as nautical or sunflower or honeybee style or farmhouse. Let me know in the comments below if you also agree that Dollar Tree has really been increasing their quantity of products, and if they're to your liking, what's your favorite products? I did specifically grab a product that is brand new to me. I believe it's pretty new to Dollar Tree as well, but I'll be reviewing that in a video coming up as well. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!